How's it going, y'all? This is Alex with Trading Conviction, here with another update to my trades that I'm no longer in. Alright, so I exited out the last of my plan for my portfolio, which was the euro against the Hungarian forint. And the reason, let's just go there. The reason for that is this was about 500 and something pips. And I was up close to 1,000 pips, right, total. So I just decided to get out. Right, I guess my emotions or whatever can take it, my mindset and so on. So I exited, and also thought since it dropped so much that there's eventually going to be a pullback, because if we go to the monthly chart, price has been just dropping. I mean, it could keep dropping. But I'm also thinking that since the ECB is going to raise rates by 0.50%, that might be enough to kind of have the EHUF rally a little bit, and by that I can possibly try to jump in. If it jumps to 380, I'm hopping in. Now, one of the things I've noticed too is I'm not taking the opportunity. This pair I was watching when it was all the way up here. Not up there. Up here, not up there. Probably like down here somewhere. And I didn't take the opportunity to just jump in, trading fairly nervously or scared, which is not good. But since I'm out of all my positions, I can have time to think. Because 100% chance that I will not lose any money because I'm not in. Alright, so that's the plan on here. I'm going to wait till it pushes higher. If it doesn't, I'm just going to have to suck it up if I see price push down. Because, again, if you're not in the right state of mind, you shouldn't be trading. You should just stay out of it until you're in the right framework. Probably just like anything else. Alright, let's go to the Euro USD. I exited this, but I see price push higher, it's pulling down a little bit. Don't know if it'll keep pulling down, or if that's just a temporary pullback and it's going to keep going. Alright, some analysts and stuff say price is probably going to push to the 1.07. That's where I'm waiting, because if price pushes higher, I might get in. I might wait for the ECB to release its rate decision and then possibly get in, because if the Fed does raise by 0.50%, that's showing that they're extremely hawkish and very determined to fight inflation. So the Euro USD will likely push back or test the 1.05. It might hit the 1.04. But for now, I'm going to wait. With the GCAD, right, prices pushing down a little bit. I mean, I exited. See if the price can hit 1.65 again. Potentially, I see a pattern right here, which, like I said, I like wedges. Looks like a wedge. Yep, definitely is a wedge. Something right there. Definitely is a wedge, an ascending wedge within a descending wedge. So price could potentially pull down, and I like how it drops like that. So it's consolidating. The closer it does, it might drop, so that resistance of the descending wedge might hold. Which, if that's the case, kind of goes with this, because price is coming back to that 120. See what I'm saying? The GBP loves the 120. Still not going to get into it. Just going to hold off. I made some profits, so I'm not in the mindset right now to trade, because I'll just be making illogical decisions. And that's on my chart. Moving to my other charts, right? We got, so I can make this a little bit better. Didn't really do nothing. Anyways, we got the US dollar 1.0 104.60s, pushing a little bit higher. Yesterday it came down, tempted to touch the 104, pushed up a little bit higher. Silver trying to pull back down, it's trading right a little above the 21 level. We got gold, 1840, the 1800 level still holding. 10-year yield, it's at 4%. Right, we got Dow Jones futures. They tried to climb up, but didn't quite make it, so it's pushing back down. And oil is trying to hit the 80 level, but I don't know if that'll hit it because now there's mixed reviews on China, and possibly its economy is not recovering like they thought it would. Now, if we go over here, right, and we look at bonds. Alright, going to bonds. Not James Bond, regular bond. See the yield? Right, the yield curve. It's pushing up higher. I mean, not higher, pushing up higher. The bonds are pushing up higher, but that's still inverted a little bit. So I don't know if recession is going to happen or not. Alright, if we go to tools, Fed rate monitor tool. Right, 32.9%. There's the CME Fed tool. They're saying that it's a 40-something% chance that they might raise it by 0.50%. But this one's saying 32.9%. So who knows? I mean, it still went up because like previous day probability was 21%. Previous week was 24%. So now it's 32%. So either way, on both of them, it shows that it's going up. How about May 3rd? Oof. Oh yeah, 33.2% because that'll be another 0.25%. Right, and then 66.4% chance that they stay pat or raise it, whatever. Either way, they're still raising rates. Alright, so let me close this out real quick. And I want to show you the Master Blaster plan. Alright, I had this in one of my previous other videos, so check that out. I go over this a little bit. But see, this is where my last bit of my plan. So I exit out of the euro. Bam. So move down here to focus on these. I exit out of that GCAD, so it's on the EHUF. I exit out of it earlier this morning. So basically now over here with silver and crypto, but I could possibly add that I'm looking to get into either the euro. Let's add those. Alright, I'm still thinking of the euro. Alright. Sorry, I like my things kind of organized. So, euro, the GCAD, potentially still. I don't know, I might change that. And the EHUF I still want to get in, because if that thing's still, the Hungarian bank looks like they're going to raise rates again. I'm telling you, that 344 level is going to hit. But I'll put this over here somewhere. I'll put it right here so when I see it later on and update it, I can put all the information I need on there. But those are the three I'm thinking about. Then we got, where is it? Right, not there. MLFB, not MFB, SHIB. SHIB's another one. SHIB and silver. Oh yeah, silver's over here. SHIB and silver. Silver, I had put down, let's get that over there. That silver might take a year. Might take a year to push down. Oh, not push down. To push higher, right? And if that's the case, do I want to stay in there or do I want to find something else better to get into? Right, so silver might take a year to push. Actually, both these are going to take probably a year. Right, I guess to push like significantly higher, or at least, yeah, silver might be able to reach 30, maybe in middle of 2024, maybe 50 level, I don't know, second quarter of 2025, potentially the same thing with crypto. Knight still on a winner. Euro GK at EHUF, thinking about that, but I'm not sure because that's adjusting my plans a little bit. Might have to look for something else. I don't know, nothing's really jumping out to me to get into. But, alright, for now, I'm going to stick to what my plan is, and I'm going to stick to not getting in and just collect my thoughts. This weekend or close to this weekend, I'll probably do a massive roll-up, show y'all, and go on from there and see what my next plans are. So stay tuned, but that's all I got for now. Alright, so until next time, it's only fiction without conviction. Y'all stay froggy, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.